plan, shellhead?
Trust me. Just shoot your little arrows and let me handle it. We have to find the skull before...
One dead Avenger isn't enough. There is nothing you can build that I can't manipulate, Stark. I will...
Tell me that was someone being fashionably late?
It was. I just wanted to make sure you needed me before I accepted your invite. And of course you do. No surprise.
MODOK, the time is now, or all is lost.
As you wish.
Is it true? About Cap?
Yes.
Then you'd better stop playing solo and actually lead this team before you lose more friends today.
All right. As a team. MODOK's cloaked. I can't find a hair on his big ugly head. Ideas?
Scan for the skull. He's a super soldier alumni. His blood has trace isotopes that'll show up on a chemical scan.
I'm impressed.
Oh, of course you are.
Accessing the super soldier files, scanning for a chemical match, and there's 2 targets?
We had a plan. For a few seconds. Uh-oh.
Next time you want to complain about my breath, remember I just saved her.
Sorry? I didn't get that last part. Automated defenses have us pinned down. We need some tech help, now!
Rub your brains together and come up with a plan. I'm too close.
No!
Knock, knock, MODOK. Cap, you're alive. I don't know what Skull's doing to you, but let's get you out of here.
Iron Man.
You weren't fried. You were teleported. I can't believe I missed that. I'm glad to see you, buddy. This leadership thing is way harder than I thought. Welcome back.
So you left the rest of your team behind? For me?
It sounds bad when you say it like that, but... how did you know they were here?
As I said, you have no idea what it takes to be a leader of men. This body is mine!
Scum.
Not much of a futurist if you didn't see this coming, Herr Stark. I was dying. My body ravaged by the very serum that had given me such strength all these years. But why perish when there was an alternative? MODOK was the key. His power transferred my being into a body where the super soldier serum actually worked. We left my hated enemy to rot in my own walking corpse. I am the end of the Avengers.
This is gonna hurt me more than it hurts you.
Cap, I hope that's you.
Auf Wiedersehen!
You've avenged me, Tony. Now, lead them.
Jarvis,